Give him a piece of bread.
A piece of bread.
Give him a piece of bread. There you go. Say eat, ducky. Tear a piece off. Tear it off. Tear a piece. Break it off. Break it. There you go. Throw it to the ducky. There you go. Look at the ducky. Look at the baby ducks, Layla. Look at the baby ducks. Look at the baby ducks, Layla. See the baby ducks? Say hey. Tell everybody hey. Say hey.
Hey, ducks.
Hey ducks. You don't eat the bread. It's for the ducks. Don't you eat it. Let the ducks eat it. Throw it to the ducks. Please.
Eat duckies.
Tear it off. Say there you go, ducky. Say you welcome, ducky. Say eat, ducky. Talk to the duck.
Hey, duck.
What you been doing?
We're doing
You been feeding the ducks? You swinging? You swinging? Say hey, mama.
Hi, mama.
Say love you.
Love you.
Tell everybody hello.
Hello.
Say bye-bye.